this is a conversation, right, that we're having, just directly you and me. With the boom of e-commerce, front-facing design is key. So how do brands create a quick first impression? This is Ricky Ramos Brand Consulting, and I'm Ricky Ramos. Are we ready? So what's next? Let's talk about your brand audience and the differences between the consumer and the shopper. They're two different set of people. Actually, scratch that. Your consumer becomes a shopper. How? A consumer is somebody you're speaking to that is not interested in your message yet. It's somebody that you need to inspire, somebody that you need to attract with your communication. A shopper is somebody that has an intention to make that purchase, already has a set budget that they know they're gonna spend. A consumer becomes a shopper when they step into a store, be it physical or digital. That moment when you step into a store, you become a shopper because you already know how much you're gonna spend and you already know the products that you want to buy, which is great for brand owners because they are the ones that we want to target. Don't spend time if you're a starting brand owner in talking to a consumer. It's I'm not gonna say a waste of budget, but it's gonna be expensive because you'll have to give them a full understanding of your personality of the brand, attract them to the lifestyle of what you're selling. So my advice for new brand owners is to speak to the shopper, speak to them directly. How? With your packaging. These days, packaging came back to be the king in communication and branding. It was the king in the 50s, where your packaging needed to stand out and needed to be new and shiny. Then it took a deep down dive when the whole digital realm started happening. And these days, it's back to being king. Because of the boom in e-commerce, the packaging is the first thing that your shopper will look at. And you will have minutes of that scroll to stand out. The same way that you need to stand out in e-commerce, you need to stand out in the store. The way to stand out in the store is by creating the same type of delight that users in the digital realm are used to. The way that brands start doing it today and are now selling really well is with value-added packs. A value-added pack is your product with a gift or what we call a delight, which is something that is free and pretty and new and different that's attached to your product. Make sure that your pack is pristine and make sure that the front label of the packaging is the one that's communicating all of your assets. I'll give you an example. Daily Harvest, a frozen food digital startup. They understood who they were first, and when they started talking directly to their shoppers, it was through packaging. In their packaging was a very simple label, white with a colorful lid that had all the ingredients of their product in the front face and a picture of what they were selling inside. So very simple, straight to the point. Speaking to the shopper was 100% successful for this company because they were able to understand who was looking for that product online and in a very quick manner sell it to them. Today, they are valued at $1.1 billion. So don't waste money speaking to a consumer. Go directly to your shopper through packaging. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it interesting, don't forget to like and share so we can get our ideas out there and reach more people. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on when we release new content. And if you like extra tips and tricks, be sure to check the links below and follow me on all my social networks to stay updated with all the new content we put out there every week. I'm Ricky Ramos, coming to you from some exciting place in the world. See you soon.